breakfast time near Kangaroo. A trumpet shook the whole wide zoo. With one big sniff and then achoo, an elephant sneezed. Oh, what a view! He blew the keeper's hat away, made monkeys swing and parrots sway. He flipped a zookeeper's lunch tray. Bananas flew like it was play.
It was play.
And all of the animals laughed, they laughed.